Hello guys, Ronnie here. So finally we have started and I welcome you all to the first box in series Red. So this box is from Hub. So this is how actually I have prepared the PNG file which consists of the steps to solve the box, and if you see below, the box is of easy type and it's from Hub, and if you scan this you will be redirected to the question link. So now it's the box name is Odin 1 from Hub. So let's start. So first of all, I ran nmap scan results, so which gave me like port 80 is open, which installed WordPress was installed on it, and I also ran GoBuster on it. So by the way, make sure you uh, put the IP address in the etc host and put something like Odin or something, because yeah, like that. So if you have solved some boxes in Hack the Box, you might be aware that you have to put the IP address uh, and the similar like any URL in the etc host. Sometimes it doesn't work otherwise. So anyway, here, so I ran GoBuster. So these were the locations which gave me 301 redirects, and one was 403 not allowed. So WP admin, and also I found somewhere in the block comment which was in brainfuck programming language. So when I decoded it, it was like not it gave me something like Note SE. So I think it was something like a rabbit hole, I'm not sure. So anyway, we after this, what we should try is we will go through the WordPress admin panel, and we could see, like when we type username admin, we could see from the error results that such a user indeed exists. So we can now run a Hydra scan using rawq.txt file. So when we run that, we will get the password as QRT. So that is the admin password is QRT. With that, we'll log in, and in the attacker, now since we have logged in, now we want to get a reverse shell. So for the reverse shell, I used Pentest Monkey's normal reverse shell, so which I had uploaded it in functions.php file. Okay, so before that I also had netcat listener open at in my VM. So when we upload this shell, we'll get a shell within, we'll get shell, reverse shell. So now after you enter it, you just need to cat wp-config.php. So when you open that, you will see a encrypted root password hash. So now to decrypt this hash or crack this hash, we can use a tool known as John the Ripper, which will crack the password and give the password as Jasmine. So now we will, so since now we got the root password, we'll just log in with the Jasmine password and root. And if you go to the root directory and you will open this file known as bjohn, and then so it will be something like a base 64 something message will be there. So you just need to decode it and you will be getting a YouTube link. So that is the final end of this particular box. So that's it for this box. This box was very easy. So yeah, you can also connect with me on LinkedIn. So that's it guys, I'll be bringing in more boxes soon. Thank you guys.